Layla, what happened to Sky? Did Sky get stuck in there? Whoa. You can't even see Sky. It's too dark in here. Did Sky jump in there? Oh, are you going in there? No. What happened, Sky? Well, why did Sky get stuck in there? Oh, that's not very nice. That is silly. Whoa, whoa, whoa! That is so silly, Layla.